Hi guys, this is the part one of our workshop where we are going to work in circular peyote and place that our beadwork over this cabochon. You will need cabochon 18 millimeters, and first thing what you have to do is to glue the ring base. This one is ring base with 8 millimeter pad. You can use also 10 here, no problem. So then decreasing on the back will be with less rows. So mine is 8 millimeter pad ring base. So first glue the ring base to the cabochon, to a cabochon. You can do that with E6000. That's the glue what most of beaders using. Very good glue, but you only, in this case, you have to wait 24 hours before you make a ring, before you start your work. So you have to leave it to dry. Or you can use a very good super glue and start almost immediately. I have this one. I even don't know if you can find it on Amazon or in your country. I found it in the island, and it works perfect. Really, it's amazing, and it's very long-lasting glue. I still have things more than a year what I did with that, and it's still like like I applied yesterday. So if you have some glue what you can say, well, I know it's a good one, you can use it and glue the ring base. And after that, we are going to, when you are ready, you continue with videos. You will need two colors, size 11 seed beads. I decided to work with seed beads this time, and you will need seed beads size 15. So in the next lesson I'm starting. See you in the next lesson. Hi guys. Before I start, I just want to tell you, I forgot in the previous lesson, this was the cabochon with I think purple foil or something like that, and it was damaged because, as you know, I live at sea, so the humidity and heat are not good with the jewelry. So the foil was damaged, and I just peeled off all the foil, and I got this wonderful white surface and tab what I can use for rings, pendants, etc. So this is just an idea. Don't throw away your old caps. Just you can use them for just with the circular peyote. You can add your beadwork over, and you have a totally new jewelry. Okay, now I decided that my cornered beads on my ring are going to be those Duracoat silver, and between those corners I'm going to work with this nickel plate. This is let's call those on the left side, those are A beads, B beads, and then at the end those 15s, they are going to be C beads. Okay, so because I want that my corner beads are this color, I'm going to pick up at the beginning 6 those silver beads, 3, 6. Slide them down the thread, leave 6 inches of tail. You're going to sew that later. Where is the 6th one? Okay, 6th one is coming. What is the matter with me? 3, 6. Okay. Now pass back through all 6 beads. Keep the tail with your fingers. Pass through all 6. Keep the tail and pull the thread out. Place your thumb over the beads here and pull the thread out. So we are going to make circle. Okay. Now pass, this is my tail, I still keep my tail, you see, keep the tail all the time, and pass through 2 beads more, for example. You can go 2, 1. Okay, this is our circle. We don't put we are not going to make any knots here, because in this next row we are going to add one bead between, one A bead between these B beads. So it's going to be very crowded, so we don't want to have knots in those beads. Still keep this tail. And let's start. Between each B bead, add one A bead and pull the thread tight. At the beginning it's going easy, but then when at the end with the fifth and sixth bead it's going to be a little bit heavy, because pull the thread tight. Always place your thumb over the beads when you are pulling the thread. Another one. That is the third one. Then I again pull. Okay. The fourth bead between, you see now it's becoming already more heavy. Nothing what you cannot manage. You can manage this, you got this. Then the fifth one, and now by the sixth, so pull the thread. So it's already bending, the shape is bending a little bit, but they don't worry about it. It's not going to stay like that. And now we have to step up. That is the most important in the circular peyote. We have to step up. So we have to pass through this last B bead and exit through the first added B bead. Of course that is not easy because everything is so tight. So you can move this, push those beads a little bit on the side. Well, I have to. You can bend your work a little, you see? When you bend your work, move it there. Okay, this one is also now moved, but we are going to pull the thread tight and we will get it back. Just add that step up and pull the thread tight. You see, it's a drama here. It's all is bending on all sides. Don't worry. This will fit good very soon. Just press them and pull the thread. You see, it's already better. Now, because we are starting with our corners. So pick up 2 beads in circular peyote, as you know already. It's all about 2-1 peyote. So we are increasing in the first row in a way that we first add 2 beads. So between each A bead, we are going to add 2 B beads. This one is going to be much easier, this row. So between each, you add 2. Very soon, when you have enough rows, you can sew into your work. This table is a little bit moving. You will sew into your work your tail thread. 2, and now we have to step up. Pass through the last A bead and exit through the first of 2 B beads from the beginning of this row. Okay, this is 2, as we said. Now we're going 1. Pick up 1, this is corner, and pass down through the next B bead. Between the corners, I said we are going to work with A beads, so pick up A and pass through the first of 2 B beads on the next corner. So we are going 1 on the corner, 1 between the corners. That one is going through the first of 2 beads from the previous row. So 1 on the corner, pick up 1, pass down through the second B. Pull the thread tight. They have to sit nice. Then 1A between the corners, 1B on the corner, one A between the corners, press your beads, pick up one B and pass through the second B, then pick up one A and pass up through the first B on the corner, one B on the corner, and press your beads, pick up one B and step up, pass through this B and exit through the first added bead. Okay, that is it, like this. And pull the thread out. Pull the thread out, press those beads again, so make them flat as possible. And now, what we said, so we have 2, 1, peyote. Now we are going to make one row with A beads, just peyote. So pick up one A and pass through A from the previous row. Pick up one A and pass through B on the corner. And like that, just continue all around. Until we come again to do our very important step up. So what I didn't where is this annoying tail thread? Then again here. Pull the thread tight, press the beads, flatten the surface. Again. Next. And here we are. Step up, pick up the last bead, pass through B on the corner, and exit through the first bead added in this row. That's a B bead. Okay, now I will continue in the next video. In the meantime, you have enough beads to sew into your work, your tail thread. And in the next lesson we are going to make another cycle of increasing in circular peyote stitch. So see you in the next lesson.